with so thick density and blend them out. Close the lid. I'll clean that one. And before that, before I'm doing any crystal placement, I am gonna put my no wipe top coat on the top. This is amazing concept. I did it earlier that I forgot, but I show you how to fix that one, which is not a big deal, but I will never make the mistake over and over. This is the first time, I think. I think it's the first time. And one time I thought I didn't, but everybody said, you did, you did. Because it's really important that when you're doing it, the no wipe top on the top of condensed glue gel, it will help my crystal diamond dust pixie stay in one place and it's not moving anywhere. I'm so pleased with that. All right, so I'm gonna keep one of this, my tray right here. I'm gonna open this one too. So it's up to you if you can add some of the crystal on. I just want to put some on to make it look nice and bling out, but you can do it with or without. I think either way you will rock this really nice. Just a little bit. I'm so excited. You don't know how excited I am to be live tonight. Like to get to see all of you and then sharing all the cool tip and trick from basics to advanced. All right, so let's go in. If with the clients, if you have a client, then you put your fingers right here, and that's how you sprinkle it to hold all that crystal pixie in there. Just really gentle, pull it in. And it will be effects different, like or changing a different effects when you have a different background. This background, I'm doing it like have a really natural, like a nude colors. I'm gonna tap it gently on the side, and this is like all of them are not contaminating with the glue. I'm gonna clean that really nice before I key it under the LED lamp. I really like this diamond dust pixie. It's so fine, it's so easy to do. Clients love this look. And then if I'm happy with this, I am going to key it under the lamp for about 60 seconds. And we're going with our precision glue to really key it. It looks really cool though. It's like a earth colors. Okay. Great. This is again, this is special like tutorial for, I'm gonna pour back in to whatever is nice and clean, then access like the extra one so then you can use it for next time. I would discard all of this because then it might kind of glues on it so it stay in there. So really simple, easy, and then we're going back to seals all the edges and all surround the edges of the diamond dust pixie, so keep it nice and secure in one place. My precision glue. Hi Algo, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, pretty Nuna. I am going to using my precision glue and checks all the edges. And squeeze in to make sure that you got all secure. I'll do the around the nails first. And then I'll fill in any gap if I need to make sure they are not like gonna easy to catch up, you know, like getting off. And then now I'm gonna cure in under this LED light for about 60 seconds, and this nail are completely done. This is really cool, the challenge between like Valentine's and like St. Patty, spring, Easter. So that is, again, it's this great look for the clients who have a natural nails right now and then want to look really natural between special holiday. MSMSM, hello, how are you? Let's just fill in that one accidentally. I think Facebook and Instagram can see on that right here. Some people call this look caviar look, right? It looks like a caviar look. It looks like a caviar. It's small, tiny little pixie crystal. So yeah, I would say, I don't know that it looks like a caviar look, but you could. Hello, mommy back, how are you? So this now are completely done. Looks cool though, it's have like yellow and that looks 1, 2, 3. Let's do something really stunning today, and it's time for us